farmer or whatever.
Yung ginikanan. They hear about it, there will be a way that they stop. So they can hear it
Your parents
Saan nga klase tayo?
9 mm.
12. Balor.
Ito sa 11. Balor ko ang 12,000 na nasa ako ng katrabaho pero pag baligyan niya 18.
So that's already part of it. So I can say that gun manufacturing in Danao City is a history already. Actually, right now our population is the present population of Danao City is more than 100,000. So around 20 to 30% of that population are engaged in